In today's video, I'll show you how to create professional emails using the ActiveCampaign email designer. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and open Email or Campaigns from the left-hand menu. Click Create a Campaign and choose the campaign type you need. For a regular one-time email, you can choose Standard. For an automated message, choose the appropriate automation option. Give your campaign a name and continue. Next, enter your subject line and pre-header text. Then select the contact list you want to use. When you reach the design step, choose the email designer. You can either start from scratch or select a pre-built template. Once you're inside the designer, it's a good idea to configure your global settings first. From the right-hand menu, you can adjust settings such as the overall email width, background color, default fonts, spacing, and other styling options. Now you can start building your email. Use structures to create the basic layout of your message. You can add different row and column arrangements depending on how you want your content to appear. Then drag content blocks into those structures. You can add elements such as text, images, buttons, spacers, and videos. Click any block to customize its content, colors, spacing, alignment, and links. If you've created a section that you want to reuse later, you can save it as a reusable module for future emails. Once your design is complete, click Preview to see how the email looks on different screen sizes. Make sure to check both desktop and mobile views. It's also a good idea to send yourself a test email before sending the campaign to your subscribers. Check the formatting, images, links, buttons, and personalization carefully. If everything looks correct, click Save and Exit or continue to the final campaign settings to schedule or send your email. And that's how you create emails with the ActiveCampaign email designer. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.